In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can add transitions in DaVinci Resolve 20. So in my project here, I have two videos, but as you can see, it's just a hard cut between them. And we can use a transition to make this a smoother transition. To do so, we're going to go to Effects, and in Effects, we have Video Transitions. And the thing is with this, if you scrub your mouse on top of this effect, just let's go to the first one. If you scrub your mouse on top of the effect, you will see a preview of what it will do. As you can see, you get to see what you will be adding to your project as a transition. Now, the thing is with DaVinci needs extra footage to do a transition. So if I now would drag this on top of my project here, my timeline, video timeline, it doesn't do anything. And we can fix that by using the Trim Edit tool, this one. You can also press T on your keyboard, just to show you. When you go hover on top of this here, you see this red bar, and that means that there's no extra footage in front or behind. So when using this Trim Edit tool, you can shorten your clips a little bit, and I'm going to do so for the beginning clip and the end clip. And as you can see now, we get this green line appearing here, and also this one. It has a green line because now it has some extra footage to work with. So if I now drag this transition here, as you can see, we can add it to our footage. But the thing is also that you can make it bigger than the extra footage you have added. So you can only make your transition as big as the extra space you have in your clips. You can always add extra space by using the Trim Edit tool like this. And then when you've done that, you can make your transition also bigger. And the bigger you make it, the slower it will be. You can also add transitions to text in DaVinci Resolve. So to do so, again, in the Effects window here, you have Titles. And in Titles, we're going to take let's take this neon flicker and just add it here. So as you can see now, when I play, it just appears, and that's it. But you can add, in the video transitions, you can add transitions to this text also. So let's see, maybe we will add a cross dissolve at the beginning and a cross dissolve at the end. And then you have a transition on your text also. And you can add multiple transitions if you want to. As you can see, you also get a preview here on what it will be like when you add this. Now, when you have your transition selected and you go to the Inspector tab here at the right, first close this Effect tab. This Inspector tab gives you more options. You can change the duration, the alignment, you can give it a border if you like to. And that will look something like this. You can change that border color if you want to. And you can ease in, out, and all those things also here in the transition menu. And also here you can change your transition. Not every transition will be visible here, but there are lots of transitions to choose from. So let's say you want the diamond iris, and you can change it if you want to. But that's how you can add transitions to video and also text in DaVinci Resolve 20. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.